GM, have you heard about the alpha? September 19 marks the day Polkadot launches Agile Coretime, a game-changing upgrade in the Polkadot 2.0 roadmap. So what is Agile Coretime that people are talking about? Let's go back a little bit. In Polkadot 1.0, the only way for a parachain to be secured by Polkadot is to lease a slot through an auction with a leasing time of up to 2 years. However, this requires locking a large amount of thought, which is quite costly for small and medium-sized projects to join. Another thing is that parachains produce blocks at a fixed intervals of 12 seconds, regardless of network activities. This leads to inefficient resource allocations of using blockspace. Blockspace refers to the limited capacity for storing and processing transactions within a single block, determined by its maximum size or time limit. In the case of version 1.0, it turns out that many of these rollups didn't need all that fixed block space. Blocks can be nearly empty during bear markets and struggle to handle increased demand during bull markets. It went underutilized. So despite Polkadot's amazing technology, the parachain auctions process tends to be costly, complex, and uncertain. Now with Polkadot 2.0, Coretime fixes that. Agile Coretime is a scheduling mechanism that ensures the right amount of processing power is available when needed. This means you can access the right amount of block space for every stage of your project's growth.
What we do, we produce flour and milk and water and salt and eggs. Like we actually have internal means for producing each of these things.
Yeah.
But rather than selling them, we just make pancakes with them. We make batches of 1,000 pancakes, right? And we sell, the only thing that we sell is 1,000 pancake batches, or 10,000 pancake batches. And that's all very well.
Yeah.
But it might be that people don't want to buy 10,000 pancakes at once. So rather than doing that, what we're now starting to do is to sell individual pancakes.
Yeah.
We're selling pancake mix, and we're selling even individual, eggs, flour, and milk. And by doing this, we can allow people to make things that are not just pancake, bread or omelets.
With this new model, Coretime eliminates the requirement for slot auctions and will be available on a rental basis. There are various ways to get Coretime. Coretime can be purchased in bulk, with orders placed up to 28 days in advance. Bulk Coretime is better suited for established teams with high bandwidth needs, as they can predict pricing more accurately. Since the price of Coretime can rise during periods of high demand, selecting bulk Coretime helps avoid uneconomical purchases. Renewal prices for bulk are capped within a percentage, making cost predictions even easier. Coretime will also be sold on demand, which is for immediate use. On-demand purchases are ideal for early-stage projects and individual developers starting new projects on Polkadot. This option lowers the barrier to entry while providing quick access to shared security and the ecosystem, helping projects achieve on-chain proof of concept. There will also be a middle ground between secondary markets, offering Coretime in smaller portions, even down to individual blocks within a month. This option improves the allocation efficiency of Coretime. Two recommended secondary markets for purchasing Coretime are Region X and Elastic. Agile Coretime is not just a technical upgrade but Polkadot's most important product launched this year. Never get to overpay for block space again. Faster, more accessible, and always decentralized. Are you ready for the next wave of Web3 innovation? Like and subscribe to Polkadot Insider.